All right, guys, we are on my Android phone, and we're going to talk about how to fix an app that's behaving badly or just not working right, which is probably why you're watching this video right now. And there's a couple of steps you can take before you just obliterate the app off your phone altogether by uninstalling it. Let's not do that. First of all, let's talk about this app here. This is a 3D printing app. This is called the Creality Cloud. It's not behaving badly necessarily, but it's just an app I'm going to use as an example here. So let's say something isn't working right here, and I'm trying to fix it. Maybe I can't log in, or something's not displaying right. So the first thing I'll do is what most of you guys do, and I'll just kind of toss the app out. Well, that doesn't always totally close the app. So the first thing you want to do is called force close. And let's hold our finger down on the app icon, and then you get an option that says app info. Now keep in mind, I'm on the Pixel 7 Pro on Android 14. Your options may be different. In fact, in some cases, you actually have to go to the app drawer before you do that, and you'll have to find the app in the app drawer to do the same thing. But again, it's the same thing. You hold your finger down and you select app info. And then you get into this page. And this gives you the option, first and foremost, to force stop the app. That's going to be step one. So I'm going to hit that. And again, sometimes when you toss the app away, it doesn't actually close the app. So you want to force stop it. That'll totally close it off your phone so it's no longer running, and then you can reload it. It'll load from scratch and see if that fixes your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, let's take it to step two. Same thing, we'll go back into the app info page, and then now we'll look for storage and cache. So we'll tap on that, and you've got two options in here: clear cache and clear storage. So cache and storage are two different things. Cache is the temporary storage that's being used when your app runs. It's not necessarily permanent. Storage is the long-term stuff that's stored in your app, like passwords, usernames, etc. So if you clear the cache, it won't necessarily wipe the app. So this would be step one, is to clear the cache. So we'll do that first, clear the cache, and then we'd go back out and try loading the app again. And so in this case, the app is still working just fine here, but let's say it's not. Then we go back in, and this time we go into app info, and we go back into storage and cache, and we're going to use that other option, which is clear storage. So this will wipe out all the storage. It'll clear the cache, but it'll also clear the storage, things that are stored like your settings in the app, your username, your password if you have that in the app. So you want to be careful before you do this, because what it's going to do is return the app to exactly what it was like when you first installed it. So let me show you how that works. In fact, it gives you a warning. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Okay, I want to hit delete. So notice the clear cache button went gray too, because when you clear storage, it also clears the cache. So in that case, now we're going to come back out, we'll reload the app, and you'll notice it loads up differently this time, because now it's saying, hey, do you want to allow notifications? Hey, do you want to log in? Do you want to sign up? Again, this is taking the app back to what it was like when you first installed it on your phone. It doesn't know who you are, it doesn't know what your login is. If this doesn't work, you're kind of at the end of the trail here. What you really want to do at that point is probably just come in here and uninstall the app, and we will go ahead and not check that box. It'll uninstall the app, and then you can go back into the Google Play Store and reinstall the app. And that's sort of your last option, because if none of those work, then it's probably something with the app itself or some sort of compatibility issue with your phone and that app, in which case you're going to have to kind of try to reach out to the vendor who made the app and see if, maybe go on a Reddit forum and see if there's other issues. I hope that helped, guys. This is the Solution Factory. We look for easy solutions to common problems. We post new videos every day here on YouTube.